Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove a radiator off a wall like this tiled one in a bathroom. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to turn off both valves either side. Sometimes they don't have caps on, so you might need a spanner. And then on the TRV side, turn it all the way to the frost setting to turn that off. Then you want to grab yourself a radiator key, put it in the top. You'll need a bucket or container just to empty this water into until it stops. If it stops, then you know that the valves are holding and you can work on the radiator. So, once that's gone off, next you need to crack the nut one side or the other. This side I've gone for the lock shield side. Just loosen that off, get a container underneath it to contain the water into it. Loosen that off. With that off, a small dribble will come out. To increase the flow out of this, you need to let air into the radiator. To do this, you then need your radiator key again. Put that in the top left hand corner, let the air in, and that will let the water stem faster. You can control the flow by tightening or loosening the amount of air going into the radiator. So, with that all drained out of the radiator, it's now time to work on the other side of the radiator, the TRV side. Just need to loosen that nut, undo that nut all the way. There might be a bit of water in it. With that loose, you can then lift away the radiator, showing the brackets behind. If you're getting it replastered or retiled, remove the brackets but leave the screw holes in, otherwise that will create a harder job for you when you come to refit the radiator. I hope this video has helped you. For more thrilling content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and there'll be more coming shortly. Have a good day.